Hi, Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. I hope you all are doing well. This is me, teacher Aisha Rizwan with you, and you are watching Learn as One. So today video is really very interesting because I'm going to teach you how we can make a PowerPoint presentation and how to use this PowerPoint as for presentations. Okay, so you have to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to start this PowerPoint series. If you follow me and follow my steps, you will be very good and you will learn a lot of tips. Okay, let's start. So, like in MS Word, same in PowerPoint, we have this option. We can open the existing file that we have already created or any new file. So, here I'm going to start. For example, I want to make a presentation for my YouTube channel. So, you will say educational. You will just write educational or education. It is recent. Okay. For new file, for new file here, you have to write, okay. Home, new, open. I was writing in the last. In the new file, you will write here education and there you will find the template. Let's see. Let's go with that. The first one. Create. So now it is automatically creating. Now you can just add the title, learn is one or whatever is your name or your subtitle. Okay, afterwards you can go to next one or you can just fill it. Okay, you can just fill it, the whatever the content is you can just fill on that. This is one thing, you can choose the template and you can fill your data on it. But if you don't want to choose template, that time what you have to do, you will go to new file and you will use blank document. Okay, and in the blank document you will create, and I'm gonna teach you how. So you see this one, how you can format it. Firstly, let me write here learn is fun. That is my main topic. And here I'm going to write my name, teacher Aisha R. Afterwards, what you have, I want to format it. What you will do, see, same like the Word document, from this button, from this bar, you can, what do, you can format your writing. For example, you want to increase the font size, you will start from here, and you want to make it bold, italic, underline, you can just do it here. Or you, whatever the display, the whatever the style you want, you can choose from that. Okay. So I just don't want to change it, so I will make it like that. And then from here you can just choose all sentence lower capitalized or sentence case. I will choose sentence case, or let me choose here capitalize each word. Okay. Now here, from here you can choose the color, or if you want it to be highlighted you can choose from that. Anyways, from this button you can just do like this. You can make it in center or there, or you can make it justified. It will all will come in the same format. Like from this side it will be in one line, from this side it will be in one line, it will not cross the line. So I will make it in the center. From here you can choose the bullet points if it is needed. From here you can choose the numbers, or from here you have to give the line spacing. That is very important. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose the design option and I am going to choose the format from this. Let's see the color. Let's choose the color. I want something in, and this one will be good. Okay. Now let's choose the first the font style. Sorry, the format, the background format. So I'm gonna take this one is good. Okay. Now from here you can just choose the color of your choice. I want to be in blue. So it all will come in bluish form. If you want the color in like red, all will come in reddish form afterwards. Okay, so let's choose another one. For example, if I'm choosing this one and I want to change the color, see now it is changing. So if you want it to be in, see the color is changing now. Let's just choose this one. Okay, so you can also format the background. How format? You can put solid colors, solid fill, any color you can choose from here, or you can gradient fill like which type of you want, rectangular direction, you can choose it. Okay, or you can also add picture, whatever you want, or you can pattern fill it with these patterns. You have it to make it more attractive, or you can just hide the graphics if you want these graphics. So you have a lot of options here if you want format background. Okay, this is one thing. Now slides, you want standard or widescreen, it's up to you. Now let's choose the next one first. We will go to the next slide. Let me choose it. It's not coming. Okay, wait. Okay, now it is coming. Okay, so here you can choose the title like playlist or in my channel, for example. Now you wanna add, if you want to add a picture, you can add it from the computer or from the outside source like from internet. You can even insert graphics, you can insert video, you can insert table or chart. I'm gonna add picture from Google. So I will stop. Now I'm gonna write here English class. It is stock. It's inside the computer. We don't have it here something. Okay, let me just take from the internet. Even if there is in some PowerPoint there is no option. Now you see it's stock images which already have in this software. So there now in this format there is no option to take from the internet. But in case what you can do from the insert button, you will go to picture and you will choose online picture. Okay, if it is not available here, then from the online picture you just write subject teacher, and here it will come. You can just, and this picture will come directly. Okay, on that side. So you can just adjust it. If you want this picture, some more pictures, you can just go to insert again online and then you just write English. For example, I'm just adding. Okay. So you can just give them like animations or transitions. You will go to animations if you want one by one. Animations appear. You will see it. It will appear like that. And for that also you will split. Now what happen will you will see in you will go to slideshow from beginning. See, first it will happen and second this will happen. Okay. Now this one I told you for how you can give animations in. There are many options here. You can choose any options from that. So I give the transitions to this one. See, now what happened, we will see it from beginning. See, now it is coming like this. So what from this animation option you can just give that. Even if you want it like to be this animation to be delayed, you can just click on that start on click, okay? Or you can just for this one you can start after previous, or duration let's make it 75 or delay will be 25. Let's see now. It is automatically come. So there is no need to press the button. It will automatically come when you will press the option. Okay, so let's just finish the video now. In this video, I teach you about how to give the how to add animations to your pictures, how to add pictures in the PowerPoint, how to make a PowerPoint presentation with or without template. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button because I'm gonna see that much response I'm getting on this video. If I'm getting good response, I'm going to explore and teach you more about presentation. So at least you can make your own presentation and without any hesitation. Anyways, till now, bye bye, take care, and wait for the next video. Bye, Allah Hafiz.